Hey, children of the sun, Captain Starchild here. Nate Stevens is my name, and I have a song for you called The Heart Knows. Deep down inside my very soul, I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to show. In that still empty place, I'll meet you someday, when there's nothing to hold and there's no cross to bear. Come take my hand, and together let's go. 'Cause I know that I've never had time to waste on battles that can't be won. And I know in the end, we're always right back where it all began. Yeah, the heart knows just how to make it through. Just keep on breathing, heart beating, believing in that holy place inside of you. If you ever find yourself doubting in goodness and light, just take a deep breath, feel your heart beat and know it's alright. Oh, it's alright. We all have questions about what's wrong and what's right. They go on and 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 on in our minds. Sometimes keep us up all through the night. But I know that the heart always knows, even when the big picture doesn't show you, that it's all gonna be just fine in the end. You know the constant beat of your heart is your one and only best friend. Yeah, the heart knows just how to make it through. Just keep on breathing, heart beating, believing in that holy place inside of you. If you ever find yourself doubting in goodness and light, just take a deep breath, feel your heartbeat and know it's alright. Yes, it's alright. Well, I know that sometimes it bleeds and stings and races so fast when you feel like you're losing a friend. Always just keep hoping and dreaming, keep loving and living. Open your eyes, don't pretend. 'Cause all these heartbeats around you can feel you and see you and touch you and love you. Just when you think your heart is out of beat, you wake up, feel the wind on your face and see the bright blue sky and know it's alright. Oh, it's alright. 'Cause the heart knows just how to make it through. Just keep on breathing, heart beating, believing in that holy place inside of you. If you ever find yourself doubting in goodness and light, just take a deep breath, feel your heartbeat and know it's alright. Yes, it's alright. It's gonna be alright. Oh, it's alright. It's alright. yes, you know it's alright. Oh, it's alright. Oh, it's gonna be alright. That's The Heart Knows by Nate Stevens. It's available on my album at Bandcamp. It's natestevens.bandcamp.com. That's natestevens.bandcamp.com. And my album is available at choose your own price. So if you have a couple bucks to throw me, that'd be nice. If you just want the album, just enter 0 in the price field and download the whole album. Comes with 2 hidden tracks that are great. All right, peace and love. This has been Captain Starchild.